us for this coming home. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, mahalo for coming out to Kona Nights here at the Ward Warehouse Amphitheater. Make sure you visit all the small vendors to help support local business. And mahalo, we got all the implements coming out on this one. Dang. We have the PP, we have the Lee. Is that it? We have the kitchen sink. No. Charity is on the entire. Medically, Imanta, and feel free to join us in whatever parts you know. Merry Christmas, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Halaho'ola for Tiki Kalani, for Ho'ola, as well as Rai Buddha.